Hello everyone, today I'm going to be playing Puppet, the scariest game that I think is, but if you don't know what this game is, it's a game where you have to escape this house and from getting caught, you have to find some keys, so like, you gotta go outside and look. So yeah, please like this video. I'm so scared. Make sure to leave a notification when I put no. I don't have 50 Robux. Okay, but make sure to leave a like and press the notification bell so that you can get a notification whenever I post new videos. So yeah, we're gonna spectate this girl now. Go, you can do this. Okay. She's good. Go now. Wait, she died? Hold on, guys. What are you trying to do? Sorry guys. No, bro. I don't know what I'm doing. Boy, here, Jason. That's my baby sister, just like. No. I really like her avatar. You don't want your cracker anymore? Okay. They are really good at this. Like, I died already. And make sure to, never mind, okay, but, wait, where is the gun? Find the gun! No, he has the blue gear, okay, I'm afraid. Okay, quiet. Coming. Look, Nana's door is open. Okay, anyways. She gotta run. Oh, she gotta run. I almost choked. I might change my username. I mean, not my username, avatar. Ew, his name. I'm literally about to. Look at her name, Ariana Grande. But anyways. Okay, yeah, so I'm on her. She seems nice. Everybody was ignoring her. Ariana Grande left. Okay, good. Now someone has to work with them. Are they the only ones? No. Just jump down. Okay, but I might join after. So I'm gonna actually look like myself in real life. So my torso is like that. My right arm, left arm. My clothing. I need different pants. No. I really like those, but no. I'm not trying to copy, but I like this outfit. But let's just go with this one to not copy much. I'm not trying to copy, just so you guys know. Okay, so let's see this as real life. Don't hack my friend. I don't know why I said that, but Emmy Llama 24, and we'll join the same server. Wait, I can't join her game? No! I left for no reason. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And